This morning, I'm going to prepare stewed chicken, green banana with some plantain dumpling. That's what I'm gonna do for my breakfast this morning. Okay? You guys gonna love it. Alright? Let's go. When you're liking the video, please just touch the thumbs up button, okay? Please share with your friend and share with your family, okay? And leave a comment below. If I have a heart, please, or a smiley face, that will be a world of good for me, okay? Thank you. I'll clean up my chicken here now. Squeeze some lime on it. Don't know things said they'll have get off the rawness off it, you know. Some vinegar on it. Yep. Then I will cut this. See the excess fat here, I don't like the skin on my meat, you know. So I'm going to get it off. I like to take off my skin off the meat. I don't like to cook with the skin. I don't like the skin part, you know. Yep. So we do it, you know. Ragamuffin style. When you do this in the morning and eat as a strong breakfast, you know, so you don't go to work or anything you do during the day, you don't have to eat nothing much, you know. You can just eat some fruits and you're good. Yeah. Strong meal in the morning, only for the day. I need another wash, you know, because I like when it's well salt out, you know. Yeah. Put some more vinegar on it, you know. Make a proper wash. Yeah. Getting back in it. Can't cook without the scratch bonnet, you know. After the taste of the pot. So chicken is spicy. Meat, you know. Rub him in, you know. All day. Just now. Put in my browning. Eat a stir and make it go and marinate, you know. I'm gonna start out my food pot. I process. You see that? Look nice though. I like my environment clean, you know. See me? Father was a chef. My father have clean, the mirror have clean. Get some water in the pot. Put it on a low flame because you know what take a look while I grate it. Try to carrot some carrot dumpling I make, you know. Switch from plant dumpling to carrot dumpling. Okay? Yeah. Steam, put the stove on a low flame. Put the dumpling in the seed. Yeah. So the finishing one. So my carrot look, I throw the flour upon it. Put a lot of flour in it because I want more carrot more than flour in it. See, my people, you need flour and waste flour. So if it's clean, alright. So we deal with it. So the flour look, wow, look colorful, eh? Look here. Woo. Man. Okay. I'll get in my dumpling at the pot. Carrot dumpling. Nowadays you have to eat healthier. It's better than the straight raw flour, you know? Coloring. So it look, wow. The stir kind of want it stick up, you know. Yeah. Alright. One coco and a sweet potato. I have a one Irish too, you know. I know how to go this. People now wash up Irish potato and sweet potato and cocoa. More water now and put the banana in it, you know. First one, this is, see there? Very good. Alright, get another stir. Banana then sink. Go and cook. I get my iron at the pot and make it go on hot. I know we have to stew down the chicken like this. I'll brown it first. And peep, I'm supposed to hot it now. I get my chicken in the pot. Yeah. Then I look at turn over, you know. Cover it, make it steam and stay nice, you know. Yeah. Get the water in it and make it go and cook them, you know. One cooking down. So it look nice. Cover and make it go and simmer, you know. Yeah. Oh. Need a little stir, you know. You don't know anything going on. Subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and please remember to touch the thumbs up button. Okay? I beg you now. If you just leave a smile, a heart, something in the comment section, you know, say, don't know. Blessed in the man. You don't know things that you know. I said, come down here. Don't know. Nice.